Welcome to our discussion on sustainable food systems in Burkina Faso. This initiative aims to transform agricultural practices, fostering resilience and self-sufficiency for communities. Our focus is on creating a robust and enduring food future for the nation, ensuring long-term stability and prosperity through innovative approaches. Food stability is crucial for national security. We believe in empowering Burkina Faso's agricultural sector, leveraging innovative solutions to meet its ambitious goals. Our synergistic approach aims to build a resilient food supply, ensuring consistent access to nutritious food for all citizens and strengthening the nation's foundation. Our strategy integrates agricultural blockchain for transparency and efficiency, precision growing solutions like torpedo pot for maximum yield, and robust food distribution networks. This holistic approach enhances visibility, predicts shortages, and adapts to climate challenges, ensuring sustainable food security and economic growth for the region. Torpedo pot offers a powerful solution to critical challenges in Burkina Faso, addressing issues like water wastage, soil degradation, and poverty. By eliminating traditional farming costs and maximizing resource efficiency, we empower communities to overcome environmental hurdles and build a more prosperous, food-secure future. Torpedo pot is set to revolutionize tomato production in Burkina Faso, with the potential to triple national output in a single growing season. This innovation directly addresses the impact of severe droughts, providing a sustainable and efficient way to boost agricultural productivity and support the 70% of the population employed in agriculture. Burkina Faso is poised to become the epicenter for sustainable agriculture in Africa. Torpedo pot will drive down costs, increase food availability, and create jobs. Our technology allows cultivation on non-arable land, even in deserts or flood zones, ensuring food access and reducing transportation costs for rural communities. We emphasize strong university partnerships and comprehensive training to foster economic growth. Education is key to reducing unrest and building a skilled workforce. Torpedo pot is committed to creating jobs and stimulating the economy through agriculture, addressing the need for technical expertise and higher school enrollment rates. Thank you for your time and interest in our vision for sustainable food systems in Burkina Faso. We are eager to collaborate and discuss how these initiatives can further benefit the region. Please feel free to contact Daryl Addison or Abdul Aziz Khanfei for more information.